for the bow that you see here, it's really, really easy to do. You start with a magic circle, and you're gonna do a chain first. Then you're gonna do 2 more. 1, 2 chains. See, we have 3. Now you're gonna do a double crochet. Now you're gonna do 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna slip stitch inside the magic circle. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna do 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Another double crochet. Three chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna slip stitch inside the magic circle. You're gonna do one change, and then leave like a tiny, like a few inches of yarn. You're gonna cut it. You're gonna pull it. Now you're gonna close that magic circle. Remember what I told you with the magic circle? You're gonna pull first so that you know which one you're pulling. It's closing. Now that magic circle is closed. Now you're gonna pull and organize your stitches. See, the bow is one side 3 chains, double crochet, 3 chains, and then the other side you pull it to the other side. 3 chains, double crochet, 3 chains. Now the tails are for the center of the bow. Okay, so you just like this case this way. And you put it however you want. See, like this size for me is okay. So now what I do is on the back, I put my hook inside, a few stitches, and I grab the tail and I pull it through. I pull the yarn through so I make it safe. Then here I fix the yarn if it moves or something. And then this extra tail, I just like cut it. And there's your bow.